In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on Stripe. It's a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll need to go to Stripe's official website. Fire up your web browser and type in stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar Stripe homepage. The next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is essential for accessing your personal dashboard. Make sure to input your login details carefully to avoid any hiccups, then move ahead by hitting sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. From here, we need to navigate to the settings. Locate the settings icon, which might resemble a small gear symbol. It's usually situated on the right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of options. You're going to select Profile from this menu. Once you're in your profile settings, search for the option labeled two-step authentication. This is where the magic happens when it comes to managing your phone number. You'll see various authentication options laid out. Look for the SMS section on the left side. Here you'll notice 3 dots typically used for more options. Click these 3 dots to reveal a hidden menu with further choices. In the drop down you'll see an update option. Click on it and you'll be guided to a page where you can manage your phone number. There might be a prompt saying I still want to use SMS. If so, affirm this by clicking it to proceed. Now comes the crucial part, updating or changing your phone number. Carefully type in your new phone number, double check to ensure each digit is correct. Once that's done, find the update number button and click it to save your changes. And there you have it, your phone number on Stripe is now updated. Remember that keeping your contact information up to date is vital for security and communication reasons. It's a simple task, but one that keeps your account secure and functional. Feel free to rewind or pause the video if you need to rewatch any section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's support team for further assistance. Have a great